Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage like Yabu. First, choose a fresh, firm head of green cabbage. Remove any bruised outer leaves and carefully core it. Then, slice the cabbage as thinly as possible, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch. This fine shredding is key to achieving the perfect texture, making it light and airy. You'll want to use a sharp knife or a mandolin for consistent results. To get that signature Yabu crispness, soak your thinly sliced cabbage in a bowl of ice water for about 15 to 20 minutes. This cold bath not only makes the cabbage incredibly crisp, but also helps to remove any slight bitterness. After soaking, it's crucial to drain the cabbage very well and pat it completely dry with paper towels. Excess water will dilute your dressing. The dressing is simple yet essential. You'll want to combine rice vinegar, a good quality soy sauce, and just a touch of sugar to balance the flavors. For an authentic touch, add a small amount of sesame oil, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon, which provides a wonderful aroma. Whisk these ingredients together until the sugar is fully dissolved and the dressing is smooth and uniform. Your Yabu-style cabbage is now ready to be enjoyed. It's best served immediately alongside your favorite tonkatsu or other fried dishes. Remember to drizzle the dressing over the cabbage just before eating to maintain its crispness. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. This simple side dish truly elevates any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.